Welcome. In this video, we explore the classical foundation of dramatic structure, the three unities. These timeless principles guide storytelling, especially in ancient and Renaissance theatre. Definition: the three unities are rules for writing drama, especially classical tragedy, derived from Aristotle. Origin of the concept. Although inspired by Aristotle's Poetics, the strict interpretation of the three unities was developed later by Renaissance and neoclassical critics, especially in Italy and France. Unity of time: the action should occur within 24 hours. Unity of place: the setting should remain the same. Unity of action: the plot should focus on a single storyline. Together, they keep the drama tight, focused, and believable. Aristotle's contribution. Aristotle emphasized unity of action, a clear beginning, middle, and end, in his analysis of Greek tragedy. The other two unities were loosely inferred from his ideas. Renaissance interpretation. Renaissance scholars formalized the three unities, applying them rigidly to drama. They believed classical drama should reflect real life, happening in one place, one day, and one plot. Three unities in French drama. In 17th-century French drama, especially with Racine's Phèdre, the three unities were followed strictly. French critics believed this structure maintained realism and artistic discipline. Shakespeare and the unities. Shakespeare famously ignored the three unities. His plays, like Hamlet and The Tempest, move across locations, time periods, and multiple plots, prioritizing drama over rules. Dryden's view. John Dryden respected the unities, especially unity of action, but also admired Shakespeare's natural genius. He suggested blending rules with creativity. Samuel Johnson's criticism. In his preface to Shakespeare, Johnson argued that the unities limit imagination. Shakespeare's genius is more important than rules. Plays should instruct and entertain, not blindly follow artificial structures. Memory trick: tap. T time. A action. P place. Just remember tap to recall the three unities. Why were the unities important? They ensured dramatic cohesion, helped actors and audiences follow the plot, and emphasized logic and emotional impact. Criticism of the unities. Too restrictive. Unrealistic for complex stories. Stifles creativity and imagination. Doesn't suit modern or experimental drama. Criticism of the unities. Too restrictive. Unrealistic for complex stories. Stifles creativity and imagination. Doesn't suit modern or experimental drama. Influence in English drama. While some English playwrights experimented with the unities, most, including Shakespeare, Marlowe, and Jonson, preferred flexibility over rigid structure. Modern drama and the unities. Modern theatre often discards the unities, favoring realism, non-linear time, and complex characters. However, some playwrights still use them symbolically or ironically. Famous quotes. Shakespeare violated the unities, but preserved the soul of drama. Drama is imitation of action, not geography. Aristotle, paraphrased. Here are few MCQs for practice. Related concepts. Catharsis. Tragic flaw, hamartia. Poetics. Neoclassicism. Common essay topics. Discuss the relevance of the three unities in modern drama. Compare Shakespeare's dramatic method with classical rules. Conclusion. The three unities shaped classical drama, but their evolution, criticism, and continued influence show that great theatre balances structure with creative freedom.